Hi there, U.S. government students. It's Mr. Kerr, and getting ready to go with week 8 as we begin Unit 2. So hopefully you're all done with Unit 1, all caught up, got your Unit 1 final and that Unit 1 final discussion board all set and in and ready to get going on Unit 2. And we're going to be going, week 7 is going to be citizens reading. So really what Unit 2 is about is civic engagement. That means how you as a citizen interact with your government and really how your government interacts with you. So we'll be looking at that. Just a couple of things. You'll notice at the up here it does say October count. Now take a step back. How schools are funded in the state of Colorado is by how many students are part of the school. And being a virtual school like we are, the way our students are counted is by you turning in assignments and being counted present at the school. And that's why this October count week and this week particularly is very important for you to be logging in every day and turning in something or at least part of an assignment doing every day. And you'll see that that's kind of how the suggested schedule is set up. So please do that. It makes it a lot easier for us to count you as a student. So the school gets the money from the state so that we can stay open and stay a great school. So also with that, just reminders, of course, beginning of the week here on Tuesday morning, make sure you're checking your grades. Make sure you check your messages up here. Make sure you check your email and your text messages. All right. So reminder too on the Start Here folder. I know we have 1 or 2 new students. And of course, as a new student, you go into the first 4 assignments. But we also have course and instructor info in the Start Here folder, first 4 assignments, and just about any question that you might have. Tips, tricks, and student resources. Great place to look if you have any questions for what's going on in our class. So should be all done with Unit 1, and now coming up with Unit 2. Our first week 7 citizens reading. And so first thing, just like we did in the first unit, there's going to be a diagnostic. Please read through it carefully and answer the prompt as it asks you to do. That will be number 1. Citizens reading, you're going to do a knowledge chart. So you're going to see a list of words and it's going to ask you, have you ever heard of this word? Do you know a lot about it? Have you never heard of it before? And fill that out before you do the actual reading then. So that's all in there. And then there will be a discussion board. What does it mean to be a citizen? All right. And discussion board, as always, here's the actual question. And this will make more sense once you've done the knowledge rating chart and the and you've done the reading. Do you think the classical Republican sense of community is possible in American society today? What forces work against it? What resources might encourage its development? So once you've done the reading, then you'll do that. Please remember 50 points for your post, 1 or 2 paragraphs, at least 5 sentences with 3 details, pieces of evidence, and you'll use at least 5 of the vocab words from that knowledge rating chart. Those are your vocab words for this week. You'll use at least 5 of them. Underline them, please, so I can see that you're using them correctly. And then 25 points for each reply with at least 3 sentences, at least 3 details. So make sure you go through all of that. Citizens reading is attached here as well again. All right, so that's what we have going for this week. Log in every day, do some work every day of this week, please. Discussion boards, make sure you get your post in before the weekend so that your classmates have the opportunity to reply to you. Also, parent-teacher conferences coming up next Thursday the 11th. They'll be coming up. And other than that, hoping for some better outcomes of some of our sports teams. My Buffaloes are doing pretty well, 4-0 in top 25 right now, and hopefully some of our professional teams will hit their stride here for Rocktober as well. All right, great. Well, let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.